guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Ella. This is Drake. As you can tell from the title of today's video, he's my lovely, awesome boyfriend who I'm forcing to film this with me. So today I'm just gonna answer a ton of questions that you guys have asked. This video's kind of been like long and drawn out. Like we wanted to film it, didn't film it, wanted to film it, didn't film it. Today, gonna film it, it's gonna be up. You guys want to see more of me and want to see more of Drake because he is my Instagram boyfriend. He takes every photo, pretty much every photo on my Instagram. So if you want to see that, definitely, it's always linked down below. And you guys should definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. Okay, so if you are not new and you're like, who is this white kid? This is Drake. I love him so much. He is fabulous. He's my favorite person in the whole world. I love annoying him, as you can't tell, and forcing him to be on this video is awesome to me. Okay, so I did write like a cue card of questions just so we don't get off track because you guys are not new, you know I just ramble, so yeah. First one, these are all coming from my Instagram. I put up a Q&A, like one of those questions on my Instagram story. This was like a month and a half ago I did this because we were gonna film it, didn't film it, we're gonna film it, didn't film it. So if you did ask a question, they're right here and I am answering them now. So when did we meet?
Oh, am I answering these?
Yeah.
I mean, we've met before. We had the same 8th grade class.
Yeah.
But we didn't really
talk. We weren't
like
we weren't like in the same like social group.
Yeah. Until
like junior year.
Pretty much.
Yeah. Like he was friends with my ex-boyfriend. He's neighbors with my best friend. So kind of like we knew each other, but like we weren't like hanging out or anything until like halfway through junior year. And then we had the same lunch, so we sat at the same lunch table and we were like, cool. How did you ask me out?
Pretty nervously after lunch.
Yeah. Yeah,
I just kind of did it, and then we went and saw a movie.
We saw Split.
Yeah.
That was so good. I do recommend that movie, and I don't like scary movies.
It wasn't that scary.
I thought it was scary.
I know.
It has a lot of jump scares. Like the music.
Yeah.
Yeah. I liked it, so.
It's a good movie. The second one, not so much, but the first one was a good movie.
I haven't seen the second one. Thanks. I was like, I haven't seen it. When did you say I love you? I remember this. You were super nervous.
Yeah. This seems to be a running theme. But
yeah. Either you're super nervous or I like am really crazy. There's like no in between.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. How long were we dating? Like a month?
Something like maybe a month and a half. Something like that. Somewhere around there.
Yeah.
It was early.
Yeah. I was okay with it though. I really liked you. I was like, okay.
I hope so.
We literally hung out like every day after school at that point. We went to the same high school, if you guys didn't like catch on. So we went to the same high school. We don't go to different colleges. He goes to school.
You just double negative.
Damn it. Damn it.
We go to different colleges.
There we go. Where do you go to school?
I go to school in Boston.
Okay. I go to school, you guys obviously know if you watch my channel, and if you don't, I go to Texas State in San Marcos. What's your like biggest pet peeve about me? You can say it, it's okay.
Recently, the fact that you pick your lip.
I have a nervous habit and I rip the skin, and he does not like it. I don't know what my biggest pet peeve is about you. Oh, he makes little noises in the car. He'll go just to like bother me, and he knows it bothers me. So things like that. Or like you'll say you're not hungry, but then you eat my snack. You'll be like
the same thing.
But I'm always hungry. There's a difference. What's like favorite activity to do with one another?
I don't know. We go to the mall a lot.
We do go to the mall a lot.
Or movies.
Yeah. We're big movie goers.
Yeah, pretty much.
We're pretty big movie goers. Mall, movies. I like going to the beach. Like when we went to Florida earlier in the year.
Yeah. I
really liked that. And what's your favorite trait about me? And then I'll say my favorite trait about you.
I like how like outwardly social you are. You're always trying to make friends, and I like that.
I like that you're really nice and you're really calm. Like, even when you're really angry, you never like blow stuff out of proportion. You like logically go through it and I just go like straight to crazy. And like you'll let me just talk about complete nonsense for like an hour and then you're like, yeah, and like you never like make me stop, you never make me explain, you just let me go.
Fair enough.
Yeah. What's one thing if you could change about me you would? I know mine.
Oh, great. What is it?
I don't like your car. It's small. He drives this little red BMW, and I like big cars. I always feel like I'm gonna die. Like, you don't drive bad. Like, he's a good driver. I just feel like if someone hits us, it's over. Like, it's over.
As opposed to your rickety Kia.
Okay, I got rid of the Kia, so you can't even come at me anymore.
But even still.
You can't come at me anymore.
The car shaked more than it drove.
I really feel attacked right now. When did you know that you wanted to do promise rings? I had a lot of people ask, like, if you guys haven't seen my Instagram, just another shameless plug, you should. We got professional pictures made in Florida, and so many of you guys are like, are you engaged? I was like, I'm 19 now. So this is basically how I replied to people, so.
I don't know, kind of started the summer. I kind of thought about
last summer?
Yeah, before we went to college.
School, yeah.
Yeah. I felt like it was important given that we were
going
to
places.
different places.
Yeah.
Especially with how far the distance actually is.
Yeah, it's 1,994 miles.
She loves bringing that up.
You know what? Let me live my life. That's like the one thing I always am like, you went far away. But it kind of works out because like when I go visit him, it's like going on vacation. Because like he's so close to like New York or like you're close, like you're an hour from downtown Boston.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, so like last year, I'll link them down below. We went to like the St. Patrick's parade. And that was really fun. That was really cool. Yeah. That's definitely something like you can't do like here in Houston. Like it's not that like a thing. Yeah. Or like in San Marcos where I go to school. So it's definitely like a different vibe. I mean, the only thing I don't like is that it's so cold. It's so cold. It was literally March and there was snow on the ground. I was like, it's literally like 95 degrees here in Texas. Like what the hell? That was like the one thing like I could not do. Did you just drop your ring?
Yeah.
You can get it. It's okay.
It's fine.
You can get. I can cut this out. Get it because I want to show them. He does this thing where he fidgets with his ring all the time, and then he'll just like goes places. He's like, no, this one's mine. My nails aren't done, so please don't come at me in the comments. It's rose gold. It's cute. Pretty much all the stuff I wear is rose gold. Like this top, it's like in between like champagne and rose gold. These earrings are rose gold. I'm really on a rose gold kick. I've been for like a little bit though.
Yeah.
If you guys don't follow me on VSCO, you should. I have a lot of like up close pictures of the ring if you're into that. I didn't want to post on my Instagram because everyone's gonna think I'm engaged, and I'm not soon. But can you show them yours? Yeah. His is just it's the silver like. I think it's called like the hammered band on James Avery. I'll link it down below if I can find it. I went in and because like we had another set of promise rings, so we both lost ours. I lost mine at work because I work at a gym and like that's where like I swim coach, and I left it in the locker room with my bag out, and I think it just fell out and it probably got sucked up in the vacuum, or like a small child took it. I don't know where yours is. I think yours is in Florida. Like 90% sure.
Or somewhere on the road from Florida to Texas.
Here, yeah, somewhere. Because he lost it on the way home. So I'm thinking it's somewhere. I feel like you were probably fidgeting with it when you got out of the car and you were so tired and it probably just went bing and you didn't notice.
Probably.
Yeah. Where do you think we'll be in like 10 years? You don't know? I know.
Okay.
Can we tell her? In 10 years, I want to be married, and have a lot of dogs. he wants a husky and I want to foster senior chihuahuas. So it'll definitely be interesting. You want to work for like SpaceX or like something with space, not NASA, because he wants to make money. But so Elon Musk, if you're watching this, he's an aerospace engineer at school, so, or like that's his major, so he's super into that. Yeah. I'm hyping you up. Let me. I just want to either be doing PR for like someone famous or campaign management. Either or. I think I'd be really happy doing either or. It'd be great if like this could be a full-time job, but like I know like a lot of YouTubers who like do other things as well. So it'd be awesome if this took off, and if it doesn't, it doesn't. It's kind of just a great way, like in 10 years, like YouTube will probably still be around, and if it's not popular, I'll at least be able to look back at the videos and be like, oh wow, like remember when we did this? Remember when we did this? Like it's a great way to like remember your life. Like the Kardashians are gonna have like the great way to remember their life because they've had literally like 13 years of their life on film. Like, say what you want, but they were smart about making memories. They got all that on film. So he doesn't like them, but I'm obsessed. So it is what it is. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed just our fun video. Just kind of come into the frame. Kind of just like a fun kind of scoop into like who we are as a couple and just us. So if you guys liked it, definitely give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more of Drake, definitely comment down below and I will force him to be here and he will like it one way or another. He's a really good like behind the scenes boyfriend. Like he takes all my pictures, he edits all my stuff, like he's really into all that, and I just force him to be on the other side of things. So if you guys want to see more of him, definitely comment down below. You guys should definitely subscribe, stick around. We always do fun things here. I upload every Monday and Friday. You guys should definitely follow me on all my social media and you'll be the first to know about anything. So yeah, and if you guys want to follow Drake, you definitely should. He never posts, ever. If he's posted, it's because I've done it. He doesn't. You're still not in the frame. Move! Come into the frame so you can say bye. Or hope you're having a great afternoon, morning, or night. So, bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Stand but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're round it. Everyone falls down.